idea of the challenges is to see who's gonna get the car ready first. And you know, honestly, you know, I think I have this. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna piss through this. He's gonna get stuck on some second job, probably on the nut or the bolt, and he won't be able to finish it, you know. So guys, stay tuned to see exactly what's gonna happen in today's episode. All I'm gonna do, you know, I'm gonna try to loose up a few bolts on the diff to get it welded, you know, over the next couple of days, you know. It's just gonna be like that, you know, easy job.
He's gonna get stuck on some second job, probably on the nut or the bolt. Easy job.
Hi guys, what's the crack? Welcome to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. We're gonna continue on when trying to take a diff out, and yeah, wish me luck. Let's see how this goes. I'm a little bit worried, especially, you know, as you're gonna see when the video is all done, you know, there's a couple of moments when I was like, it's gonna be easy, couple of hour job, but guess what? In Dub Monkey Garage, we're never giving up. We keep on going, and we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep losing those bolts until that biatch it's out. And for anyone that's new to our channel, guys, if you want to see more of my face or Evan's face, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Okay guys, so security first. I'm gonna lower the car down slowly now onto the jack stands. I'm starting being slowly proud of myself, you know, using this, because I didn't know until like last week. This is the first time I'm actually using the toolbox by myself without any help. Oh! He's trying to hammer me, dirty bastard.
You wish he was trying to hammer you, dirty bastard.
Okay, I'm gonna break some nuts, lads. See you under.
Just make sure you don't sit on that when you're under there.
We've managed to take pop shafts out, you know, and get them disconnected, you know, which is massive success. And that took me nearly 2 hours. And it's not easy, you know, especially with those hex screws that you're using. So basically, you know, you gotta have to have E12 hex, and that's what's holding, you know, that's the kind of type of bolt that you have in your pop shafts in BMW E46. So you're gonna, you know, it takes time, especially if you don't want to wreck your bolts, you know, and get it out without using an angle grinder. It takes time, you know. So yeah, I got both of the sides out. Now I'm gonna have to lower the exhaust. Okay, so I'm gonna have to lower the exhaust, that one over there. And in order, I'm gonna bring this guys here so you can have a closer look. So I'm gonna lower the exhaust, and once I have the exhaust out, it's gonna give me a lot more room to get here. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the sway bar in order to actually get the differential out eventually. But I've got the pop shafts are out. Next thing will be get these two things done. Then there's a little tray. I don't know if you can guys see. I'm gonna try to show you this right here. Not this one, that one. I'm gonna have to get this cover off it in order to get to the drive shaft bolts to remove it, the bolts from the drive shaft, and that should kind of, you know, that should be nearly like done. Then I know there's a two bolts. There's one bolt here. I don't know if you can see. There's a one bolt here, and there is another bolt on the other side that holds the differential, and then I have a main bolt just literally here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to zoom in and show you. There is there. So that's the main bolt that actually holds the differential, you know. Also guys, you know, don't forget when let me just actually get out of here. Before you take all these mounts of the differential off, make sure to actually get a jack, because as far as I know, the differential itself, you know, it's about 50 pounds, which is around what, 30 kg. So yeah, make sure, you know, to get the jacket up, you know, before you release those bolts, and that should help you out hugely, you know, so you won't smash your face either. And for today, that's it. I'm gonna go take a shower, and we'll come back at it tomorrow, you know, to finish it off, and we'll take you guys through the rest of the step. And I'm hoping, you know, to have it all ready, you know, by in the next 2 days, to have it all welded. We're also going to take it to one of my buddies, you know, up the road to get the diff welded. We'll take you through the process as well. We'll show you exactly what needs to be done. And for today, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Yo, Lucas, I'm real happy for you, and I'm gonna let you finish. But this shit ain't over yet.
Thank you so much to all our subscribers, to all the people, you know, watching us, you know, and see you guys on the next one. So yeah, I'm after removing both of the bolts of the sway bar, one here, and there was a one right there. Okay, now the only thing you gotta do, there's a clip here, and there's another clip there, right there. All you gotta do is just have to push the sway bar up. Push it up. Whew. Crispy. And then that just lowers the sway bar down. And that just sway bar removed, you know, to actually give you enough space to try to get that diff out. Now, what I'm gonna do, I have to get this brace off. This one right here, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So it's this brace right here. Okay, it's just literally at the back next to the drive shaft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to remove this cover here, the under tray. Once I get that off, I'm gonna start unbolting this bad boy and hoping for the best, you know, I'll be able to get him out easy. Okay, let's get going. So we've managed to remove all the under tray. So we've got a nice access now, you know, to remove this bracelet. Okay guys, so we've managed to remove the brace that was covering our access to the drive shaft. Okay, so this is officially gone. Now next thing I'm gonna show you, here we go. So this is what it looks like now. You gain the access to these bad boys right there, these boys. This is what we wanted. We wanted access to these bolts, and then we have two of these that they're holding a diff in the back, and then there's a one at the front. Now also, please make sure, do not remove these bolts, the big ones, those ones, by yourself, because the diff itself, it's actually pretty heavy, unless you're a powerlifter or a good in bench pressing, you know. I'm not taking any responsibility if you want to do it that way. What I would recommend, to ask your buddy or friend, you know, to give you a hand to lower it down. Use the jack as well if you have the one handy. And right, let's try to get those. Let's pop some bolts. Okay guys, so the process is nearly coming to the end. We've got the drive shaft out. It's literally fully out. Check this out. We have all the pop shafts out as well here. And basically there was a two bolts which I was showing you earlier, you know, we got them off as well with the impact drill. Now the last one that holds it all together, you know, it's this one right here. So I'm gonna put the phone down for a second, grab the impact drill and try to get that thing off, and hoping for the best. Come on! Put it in the bed.
Here, want some cum top on the top of it?
Fuck.
Give me 2 minutes, you can have some coffee. That's time for the coffee cake.
I already feel that it hurts me now.
Oh no, don't make it.
Yes!
Bro, was that the last one?
Yeah! Gone. Yes!
Make sure that lift is up, man.
Yes! Fuck me!
No, in a minute. You're gonna knock the coffee over.
Oh yeah, bitches. I got it out. Yes!
These are used to like perseverance at great company.
I'm so happy, man. That one is for a week nearly.
You were in there for a good half an hour with that one, were you?
Oh. So, I don't know if you can guys see me, but I'm after breaking the last bolt, and that means that the baby is out. So, I feel like after going to the medical school and literally, I don't know what to say, but I'm still fucking shocked a little bit. So, yeah, because of all our struggle here, and if you're still watching me, you know, struggling with that diff, please go down and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, let's get that baby out.
You want to close while you're at it, man?
Okay guys, so yesterday, as you know, we were trying to get the differential out for my budget E46 drift car, and we've managed to get the differential out eventually after fucking hours of fighting, pulling, trying to get the bolts loose, you know. But after 2 days literally of hard work, sweat and tears, we've managed to get them out. Okay, so I'm telling you, I know probably at the beginning of this video Evan's gonna put something funny about the fact, you know, that I said it's only gonna take a few minutes or something like that. Well, it didn't take a few minutes. It was harder than I thought, but it's okay, we got it out. So that means now the next thing to do on the list is to crack this bad boy up and check what's inside and get it welded. So stay with us, you know, I'll take you through the process, show you how it's done, and hoping we're going to be able to do some pouring out some donuts very, very soon. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, Jesus, you see, Evan would have killed me if I would have said that. Now, if you're new to this channel as well, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Just, it should be somewhere here. It really, really helps us out, you know. So please, if you're new to the channel, if you want to continue on watching our videos and get notified, hit that button. See you soon.